The first brand new road-going Ford Escort Mk1 RS, publicly revealed in more than 50 years, makes its global public debut at London Concours 2026. The Escort Mk1 RS will continue to offer two distinct powertrain options. The first is the twin cam, a direct homage to the original Alan Mann Racing-built motorsport engine of 1968, reimagined with modern reliability and precision while retaining its unmistakably mechanical character. The second is the brand new Boreham Mk1, internally designated BD10-330, a bespoke, high-revving powertrain engineered to deliver a visceral, analog driving experience through throttle response, rev character, and lightweight performance. This naturally aspirated 2.152-liter inline-4 has been engineered specifically for the Ford Escort Mk1 RS and combines motorsport-derived architecture with modern engineering precision. Originally targeted at 300 PS, the latest calibration work has already achieved 330 PS while achieving and maintaining full 10,000 revolutions per minute capability. The Boreham Mk1 is paired to a bespoke 5-speed transmission, featuring a dogleg first-gear layout and close ratio gearing optimized specifically around the engine's broad high-rev torque delivery. Combined with the lightweight rear-wheel drive chassis and naturally aspirated character of the Mk1 engine. The chassis system features bespoke wheel and tire packages developed around 15-inch lightweight wheels, paired with Yokohama A052 tires measuring 205/50 R15 at the front and 225/50 R15 at the rear. Exterior highlights include an all-new steel body engineered specifically to accommodate the bespoke Boreham Mk1 powertrain, modern interior architecture, and advanced vehicle systems, while significantly improving structural stiffness and dynamic capability through extensive CAE-led development. Inside the Ford Escort Mk1 RS, features an entirely new, lightweight carbon fiber interior environment centered around analog driver engagement and modern usability. Bespoke seat and steering wheel designs are fully configurable to customer preference, alongside a wide selection of premium materials and finishes throughout the cabin. Mechanical window and door latch systems have been engineered for exceptional tactile quality and operation, while bespoke analog instrumentation includes dedicated displays for speed, engine speed, oil pressure, water temperature, fuel level, and battery charge.